Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to another video here. I am excited. It's 2018 and it's a new year. It's a new you. You could start a YouTube channel and potentially make some serious income while being creative. So let's get started. So the first thing is you want to sign up with Gmail if you don't already have a Gmail account. If you do have one, then all you need to do is simply click on this icon here where it says YouTube. However, if you don't have a Gmail account, that's the first step that you need to do. So just going to go to Gmail, sign up. And here where it says Gmail, create your Google account, click on that. And now you want to complete all of this information. I do recommend that you use your accurate information because you will get sent confirmation details which you need to verify. So I'm just going to fill this out and you need to fill this out as well on your end. All right, so I've completed my details and I hope you have too. And then click on next step. I do recommend that you read through the privacy and terms here. So once you're happy with this, click on I agree. All right, there you go. That's it. This is how easy it is. You've set up a Gmail email address, which you need. Here where the small tiny boxes are on the top right hand corner, we want to click on that and then click on the YouTube icon. Now it's asking us to sign in again, so let's just do that. I'm going to go here to my profile icon, I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click on my channel. If you have multiple channels, you can switch between your channels. So you can have more than one channel with your Gmail email address. I'm going to click on my channel. This is how you get to your channel. So it's just asking here for our name to verify the name that we want displayed. I'm just going to put one here. And now the next step is to go to customize channel. And this just means that we can make our channel look pretty. If you want to upload a profile picture, you click on this pencil icon, click on edit. It will redirect you to this page here, and then you need to click on upload photo. Okay, so for my profile picture, I'm just going to choose this lovely image of food here and upload and done. Okay, let me refresh and see if it will pop up here. Okay, it hasn't popped up, but usually it will after a couple of minutes to an hour or so. So don't panic if you don't see it. Okay, now the next step is to upload a channel art picture. So you can choose from the options that YouTube gives you. So if you go to gallery, there are a couple of options here, or you can also upload your own. Make sure that when you're uploading your channel art, it is this size here, so the recommended size, and the max file size is 6 megabytes. There are tons of YouTube tutorials on how to create stunning channel arts for YouTube, so check those out. I will link one or two down below in the description box. So I'm just going to choose here from the gallery as of now. Let's just go with this. Select. So if you click on this icon here, you can change some basic settings for your channel. For example, you can allow fans to comment on your channel or not. If you uncheck this, it means they can't comment. If you check it, they can comment. So I'm just going to leave all this as it is. Okay, so I'm going to save. So the next thing that I do recommend is just to say something about your channel. So add description here. So it's good to add information here that informs people what your channel is about so that they can then subscribe, hopefully. So I'm going to click on done here. If you want to upload a video, this is where you go. Click on the icon up here. So the arrow pointing upwards, click on that. And then when you click in the center here, you can upload a video. So let's just upload something very short. Let's upload a test video here. Okay. Once you hit that upload button, your video will start uploading. So make sure to add a title with all of your keywords in there. So let's, for example, say this video is about how to create a YouTube channel. You would say something like, and then make sure to have all of the relevant keywords in your description, like so. And then make sure to have all of the relevant keywords in your tags as well. So YouTube is one tag, channel is another tag, make, create, beginners, tutorial, and so on and so forth. So as many keywords as you can think of relating to the subject of the video is what you need to put in here. And in that way, people will be able to find your YouTube channel and your video as well. So once you've completed all this, you can then publish your video. As you can see, there's no customized thumbnail display option here, and that's because we have not monetized our video, or we haven't verified our account. So I'll show you how to do that in a second. I'm just going to publish this as it is. Okay, so this is the link for your video, and this link you can add, say on your social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so on and so forth. You can add that, and then people can click on it and watch your video. Okay, I'm going to go to Video Manager, and this is where you can edit your video. So if I click on Video Manager, you will be redirected to this page here. Now, another way to get to this page here, so you can click on Video Manager up here, and then also access that same page that we've just been on. So you click on Edit, and when you scroll down, you can make changes to your title, to your description, to your tags, even to your monetization once you have that enabled. Also, another thing is you can make your video private, or you can also unlist it. Unlisting just means that so it won't be displayed for other users to see. However, people can still access the video once they have this URL. So once you've made any alterations to your video, you need to save. So the next part that is really important is channel. So if you click on channel, this is the area where you can monetize your videos, so where you can also verify your account. And I do recommend that you verify your account, because then you will be able to upload custom thumbnails. If you want a detailed video on how to do this, the second video of this series, I'm going to show you how to verify your account and monetize your videos, which is really easy. All you need to do is click on verify and follow the process, and then you click on enable monetization and follow the process. That's pretty much it. Next step is to click on upload defaults. Now this is quite an important area, because whatever you put in the title or in your description or in your tags area here will always be repeated for every video. I could just say this is a tutorial about, so I don't have to write that in there every single time. You can also add a category here. So mine, for example, is how to and style, I guess. So I'll just leave that for now. And once you're happy with this area, you can then save it. Okay, next step, if you go to create, this is an interesting part here. So in this area, you can download free music, and the way to download any of the tracks is by clicking on the arrow pointing down, like so. So once you click it, it will download onto your computer. If you want to listen to it, you just press the play icon here. And here on the left-hand corner where it says dashboard, this is an important area, because this is where all of your channel statistics are displayed. So for example, how many subscribers you have within the last 28 days, how many views, how many minutes on average people are watching, and also how much money you make will also be displayed here once your channel is monetized. Oh, one final thing. Some basic alternations that you can make to your dashboard area. So this is where people who come to your channel first, this is what they will see. And what I do recommend is you click here where it says for new visitors, and you upload a channel trailer. So if you've created a special one, you can upload that here. So choose from your videos, or you can select any video that you want people to first see when they visit your channel. So this video will play automatically. So I'm just going to click on this video because that's the only video we've uploaded. But if you had several videos, you can choose from any of the videos there. So just click on save. Something else you can do is to, if I go to my channel, in my case, I've got YouTube and videos because I make videos on YouTube. I've got my other channel, which is displayed here, and MailChimp videos. I think it's really important to do this just to give your channel some structure, some organization. If you want to do that, what you need to do is just click on add a section, and then you can choose, you can say, for example, popular uploads. So these are my most popular videos displaying down here. So you can select that. Horizontal means it goes this way, and vertical, of course, from up to down. So I'm going to leave horizontal and click on done. And there you go, popular upload, because this is the only video here. But if you had several videos, then the most viewed video will be in this area. Also, just to be aware, when you access your channel on a daily basis, This is pretty much what you'll see, and you can then make modifications to anything on your channel by clicking either the Creator Studio button here or the Customize Channel button. So if you click on Creator Studio, this is where you will go. You'll be taken to this area here, like I showed you earlier, and then you can make modifications to your video. You can access your channel defaults, your dashboard where you can see the money you make or how many subscribers have subscribed to you. If I go back, and if you click on Customize Channel, you will be redirected to your dashboard area here where you can then make modifications to your channel. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in knowing how to make passive income online. So I talk about cryptocurrencies, how to create a YouTube channel, a successful YouTube channel, also how to use email marketing, and so on and so forth. Anything related to making passive income online. Yeah, subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.